Basic Math, Chapter 13, Section 2, Single Bar Graphs. A bar graph is a graph that uses bars to display data. The bars can be horizontal or vertical, which means it can go up and down or side to side. Each bar stands for an item. The length of the bar shows the items you have. For example, make a horizontal bar graph of the data table. Cars in the parking lot. We've got types of cars and the number of those cars. So step one, you have to choose a scale that you want to use. So you know you need to show the numbers from 65 to 115, the lowest to the highest. So maybe we could show intervals of 20. Step two, write the names of the cars along the side. Write the intervals along the bottom. So we can see the names of the cars and the intervals in 20 for the number of cars. Step 3, draw the bars to show the number of cars for each type. So here they have shown the 115 for Honda, the 90 for Chevy, 100 for Toyota, and so on. Step 4, write a title for the graph and labels. The title is Cars in the Parking Lot. And we've got the labels of numbers of cars, names of cars. Make a horizontal bar graph for the data in each table. So we've got speed of pitches and school enrollment. Well, for some space, I'll slide this over, and for school looks good. So we have, what do we have here? The most is 375. The least is 75. So we could do increments of 25 or even increments of 50 maybe. And so, I don't know if I have a ruler or a line maker, I wonder. It's all right. So we've got our names. So we've got Franklin, Washington, Lincoln, Kennedy, Lee, Roosevelt. All right, so now we've got names, and then we're going to get the number of students. So what if we did here, every other line being 50? That's a 0. What are we already up to? What, 400? Oh, that one very, very straight. All right, perfect. 400. So started wide, got more narrow, but that's okay. We can draw freehand. So we've got 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400. So now we can make our graph go, I'm switching colors here. For Franklin, 150. So there's 150 for Franklin. There's a bar. Change color for Washington has 250. So I can start at 250 there. And then Lincoln has 375. So where's 375 is all the way almost to 400. And so we can see halfway between 350 and 400 is the 375 line. So that's why I skipped every other line. Kennedy, what did you have? 225. Same thing. So start at the line in between 200 and 250 for Lincoln. Or Kennedy, rather. And now Lee has 100. Start with red again. There's 100. And Roosevelt only 75. All right, so we have our name of schools along the side. And we have the number of students. A little messy, sorry. We've got our names listed. We have our numbers on the graph. And so what is missing but a title? School enrollment. All right, so there is a bar graph. Now in chapter 13, section 2, you can do some more practice and make some more bar graphs. You can make them with different colors, or you can just shade them in. But don't forget to make your graph, label which things you're labeling with the names of the things you're doing, or what the items are. You decide on the scale of what it will be and give it a title. All right, thank you.